time to check in on the markets with our business reporter, Edward Boyd. Ed, US markets were pretty stable on Friday, so how did our market open this morning?
Laura, ASX 200 is actually up better than expected to kick off the week. We're expecting a very small rise, but it's actually up 0.5% in early trade. I think there's a couple of reasons for this. Number one, there's a bit of speculation that the Chinese property developer Evergrande is going to make its repayments. It's going to refinance its loans, basically, and that's going to be a positive for the stock market. But the other thing is commodity prices. Iron ore keeps kicking upwards again. It's around 110 US a tonne, so that's good for Aussie resources companies. Plus the coal price. It's now at 410 US dollars a tonne for coal. Good news for Aussie coal producers. So the market's up 0.5% in early trade.
Oh, that's good. Now, China over the weekend, I note, cracked down on Bitcoin. This means financial transactions involving any cryptocurrency now illegal?
Yeah, pretty big news coming out of China here. There's been a lot of speculation that they were going to ban cryptocurrencies for months now, and over the weekend they did it. So any cryptocurrency transaction is now banned in China. The official line from the Chinese government is it's because they want to crack down on money laundering and organised crime and criminal activity. But I think one of the real reasons they've cracked down is cryptocurrency is something that the People's Bank of China have no control over, and they want to have control over their financial system. So they've simply put a ban completely on cryptocurrency in China. So immediately there was an impact on the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum and various other cryptocurrencies over the weekend, but they're already bouncing back. So I feel like this is going to be a short-lived impact on the price of crypto. Obviously, you're not going to be able to use cryptocurrency anymore in China, but there's still a lot of other countries around the world where it's going to exist.
Yeah, indeed. But Ed, this is not the first time that China has done this crackdown. It's announced similar things about it making crypto, cracking down, making it illegal in the country quite a few times. So what makes this time different?
Look, in the past, they've cracked down on crypto mining, so actually producing the currency using computers and doing mathematical calculations, because they've lined back then it was all about using too much electricity in China and they want to sort of reduce their emissions. That was their reasoning earlier in the year for these crackdowns on crypto, which all had big impacts on the crypto price. But this time, you are not allowed to use crypto at all anymore in China. So it's a complete, utter ban. So This is really the last step to completely get rid of crypto in the country. So this is sort of the final thing, I'd say.
Okay. All right. Now, what have we got to look forward to this week? A bit of data around?
Look, we've got some retail sales data coming up this week, which is probably going to be pretty muted. We've seen retail sales not great, to be honest, over the last few months due to the lockdowns, and the hope is obviously when lockdowns end, people are going to be back spending money again. That's really some of the key economic data this week. It's actually a pretty quiet week for the economy and the data-wise.
Okay. Ed, thanks so much.